Hello friends, welcome you in my YouTube channel Learning and Tech World. Today's class we will learn how to set the dimensional lines or all the dimensions in the AutoCAD. So for setting, first we have to draw one line. Just line command. Now just first switch on the ortho line, so it will be line straight. Now put 50 enter, means this line is 50. Now first we have to do the dimensioning. How we have to do dimensioning? Just zoom in and go to dimension, linear, and click here and here. Just you will see the dimension 50. Now I want to set this all things like extension lines, dimension lines, or text size. What we have to do? Just press D, enter. Now you can see here one prompt command will come. Now click on modify. In this, what happen? These lines. Here is the lines. Lines means what? Dimension line. These lines. Now if I want to be change this line color, then here just click this one. And if I want to be change this one red, just click on red, this one. Now you can see here this line becomes all dimension line becomes red. Now extension line, coming to extension line, if I want to be change this extension line with another color, just here put yellow, this will be becomes yellow lines. This all dimension line becomes yellow. Second things, text. If you want to be change this value of this text value means not text value, height of this text means size of this text. Then you can change here this value, then it will be height will be changed, means its size will be changed. Now text color, if you want to change, you can change the text color also. I am changing this one green, this all text becomes green. Now coming to fit. In this what we have to do? Units, come here units. Here decimal, put here decimal. Precision 2 digit only, this one only. And here comma is written, just put this one period, so it will become decimal value. Next, now what we have to do? Just click on OK. Again click on set current. See, here it will be not changed, but if in the drawing we want to be change this all value, then put here set current and close. Now you can see here all dimensions change, dimension line change, all in present drawing. So I hope all of you like this video. If really you like this video, please like, subscribe and share this channel, and click on bell icon so that you will get the latest video updates. Thank you.